good for me.
It's very good for you. Stop complaining. It's giving me a cough. It is not giving you a cough.
Please do go back.
It's lovely. Come on, catch up, catch up. Just over that place. There's a field full of rabbits.
See rabbits.
Yes, you do. Is there any felicity in the world superior to this?
I told you it would rain.
There's some blue sky. Let us chase it.
I'm not supposed to run. Ah! Marianne! Are you hurt?
Ah! Margaret, I do not think I can walk. You must run and fetch help.
This way. I will run as fast as I can.
Don't be afraid. He's quite safe. Are you hurt?
Only my ankle.
May I have your permission to ascertain if there are any breaks? It is not broken. Now, can you put your arm about my neck? Allow me to escort you home.